Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. The 12 days of Christmas are in full swing. Day 3, I am putting together my fireplace screen. So sit back, relax, grab your favorite drink, and watch me put together this fireplace screen. And I'll meet you at the end to tell you all about it. Now my fireplace surround has a couple pieces of broken glass. I'm not exactly sure how that happened, but 2 of the pieces are no longer with us. And a new fireplace surround is very expensive. So I thought I'd go for this instead. Now let me tell you a little bit about this beautiful fireplace screen. I am absolutely in love with it. Today's video is not sponsored, but it comes from the Feed Garden store on Amazon. It comes with the doors already attached. As you saw, it's 25 pounds and the dimensions are 31 by 39. Made of wrought iron metal mesh, it's heavy duty, freestanding, and good for indoor or outdoor use. The classic pattern works not only as a screen, but it's perfect for hanging holiday decor from, and the price was $118. I'll have it linked in my Amazon storefront if you're interested. Let me know what you think of this beautiful piece in those comments. Thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you next time.